Okay, now going ahead in next, or I would like to say last exercise, miscellaneous exercise, question number 1. This is also very, very important question for 4 marks. They may ask this question. Find A, N, and B in the expansion A plus B raised to N, where first 3 terms of the expansion are 729, 7290 and 30375. Okay, so once again you can see we are using same formula that we are already used in a 8.2 exercise. Nth term TR plus 1 is equal to NCR A raised to N minus R B raised to R. So R plus 1th term, if you want to find out, then this is the formula. Okay, now I want to find out first term. So put R is equal to 0, you will get first term. When you put R equal to 0, you will get first term. T1 is equal to NC0, A raised to N minus R is equal to 0, B raised to 0, that is A raised to N. And the first equation is A raised to N is equal to 729. Similarly, if you want to find out second term, then put R is equal to 2, then this is your formula. Similarly, put R is equal to third term it is, so put R is equal to 2, here R equal to 1, R equal to 2, so NC2 A raised to N minus 2 B square N into N minus 1 by 2 A raised to N minus 2. This is NCR formula only, 30375. Now sum is not difficult. Just solve equation 1, 2 and 3. Alright. Now you can take a ratio. Say equation number 2 divided by equation number 1. So you will get N A raised to N minus 1 B upon A raised to N. And if you further simplify, you will get NB upon A is equal to 10. This is my equation number 4. Similarly, I will take one more ratio, that is divide 3 by 2. Alright, so if you divide equation 3 by 2, you will get N minus 1 by 2, A raised to N minus 2 B square. Just this is a division. Simplify, whatever cancel you can cancel it. And when you simplify, you will get NB upon A minus B by A. And this is NB upon A is equal to 10. That is given in a result number 1. Alright, if you observe in a result number 1, that we already, in result number 4, that we already used, NB upon A is equal to 10. So this I am using over there in next equation. So 10. Alright, NB upon A is equal to 10 from equation number 4, using 4. B by A is equal to 25 upon 3. So simplify, you will get B by A is equal to 3 by 5. Now from 4 and 5, you can obtain, because NB by A is equal to 10 you have, so B by A you can use it over here, you will get value of N equal to 6. Once value of N is obtained, then A raised to N is equal to 729. So A raised to 6 is equal to 729. So you will get A is equal to 3. Alright. So from equation number 5, now use equation number 5. B by A is equal to 5 by 3. A equal to 3. So you will get B is equal to 5. So this is your solution of the big question. Here I am doing orally, so it will go very fast. But for you there is a calculation, so you should be very precise in your calculation. But the sum is not difficult. The thing is this. Okay, now going towards the next question, that is question number 3. This is also one of the important question Find the coefficient of x raised to 5 in the product 1 plus 2x raised to 6, 1 minus x raised to 7. Now this is totally a different question. You have to be careful. Okay, so what I will do is, we have to find out the expansion of 1 plus 2x raised to 8 as well as 1 minus x raised to 7. So first of all, is it 8 or 6? Let me check. So okay, it is 6 only. By mistake, this printed over 8. But never mind, here it is 6 only. 1 plus 2x raised to 6. So just expand it. 6 is 0, 6 is 1, 2x. Now here I am not using that nth coefficient. How to the coefficient of n term formula, 8.2 formula, general formula I am not using, because here you have to use multiplication. So that formula will not work over here. So I am write down all the term. Alright, 6 is 0, 6 is 1, 6 is 2, 6 is 6, and x raised to 1, x raised to 2, x raised to 3, and so on. Okay, so this is your expansion. 1 plus 12x, 60x square, and so on. Okay, similarly expand this second one, raised to 7 formula. 1 plus x raised to 7. So let us expand it. 1 minus x raised to 7, that is 7 is 0, 7 is 1, 7 is 2, and so on, 7 is 7, and power of x will increase 1, 2, 3, 4. Fortunately here it is 1, so I am not bothering about that one. And your expansion is 1 minus 7x, 21x square, minus 35, 1 plus 1 minus, that you know very well, that we already discussed before 8.2 exercise. Okay, but I am interested in x raised to 5 power only when you multiply these two terms. So I am just writing this into the expansion of 1 minus x raised to 7. Now if you are interested in x raised to 5 term, then you must compare, or you must make a pair where you will get when you will multiply these two. Actually there are so many terms, but I am interested only in x raised to 5. So 1 I will multiply it with x raised to 5 over here. First term, alright, 1 into minus 21x raised to 5. Then x I will multiply it with x raised to 4. So you will get x raised to 5. So 12x, x raised to 5. You can see we are trying to arrange in such a way that you get x raised to 5. So x square. Now immediately you can answer. So now compare with x cube. So 60x square minus 35x cube. Similarly, the next term is x cube here. Alright, then here x square. So 160x cube into, because finally I want x raised to 5. Then 192x raised to 5. So here 1 only. Alright, and if it is 4, one term I missed, that is 4, then here it is 1 power minus 7x. Alright, so this is a power of x raised to 5. Now everywhere x raised to 5 is common, and when you simplify you will get 171. That is, you can calculate and use a calculator, no problem at all. Okay, you can see sum is not difficult, but you have to be very careful when you are taking a cross multiplication, or I would like to say arranging the term. Alright.